So, Taylor, I think we've got a good grasp now on how homeowners can navigate the standard deduction versus itemizing, especially considering factors like mortgage interest and property taxes. Now, let's shift gears a bit and talk about another exciting area where tax incentives can really make a difference: electric vehicles. In this scenario, we're going to step into the shoes of someone considering buying an electric vehicle. Let's call them Taylor. And they want to understand how the updated clean vehicle credit works. This is something a lot of people are thinking about, especially with rising gas prices and the growing focus on sustainability. Sam, kicking things off, can you tell us what are the new eligibility requirements for the clean vehicle credit in 2024?
Absolutely, Alex. The Clean Vehicle Credit has undergone some significant changes. For 2024, there are requirements related to the vehicle's final assembly location, battery component sourcing, and the buyer's modified adjusted gross income MAGI. There are also different credit amounts depending on whether the vehicle is new or used.
MAGI? That sounds familiar. Is that similar to the AGI we talked about when discussing the Free File program?
Yes, Taylor, it's related. MAGI is your adjusted gross income with certain deductions added back. The specific MAGI limits for the Clean Vehicle Credit will depend on your filing status.
Good catch, Taylor. It's always helpful to connect these concepts back to what we've already covered. Sam, could you maybe give us an example of how these requirements might work in practice?
Sure. Let's say you're looking at a new electric SUV. To qualify for the full credit, the final assembly needs to have taken place in North America. There are also requirements about a percentage of the battery components being manufactured or assembled in North America. And finally, your MAGI needs to fall below a certain threshold.
So, if I'm single and make over a certain amount, I might not be eligible at all, or I might get a smaller credit.
Exactly. The credit is designed to make EVs more accessible to a wider range of consumers.
That's really important to understand. Now, our hypothetical Taylor is diligently researching before heading to the dealership. Where can consumers find reliable information on qualifying vehicles and credit amounts, Sam?
The best place to get the most up-to-date and accurate information is directly from the source, IRS.gov. They have detailed information on the Clean Vehicle Credit, including lists of qualifying vehicles and the specific credit amounts. You can also find this information in IRS Publication 17.
That makes sense. So if I understand correctly, I should check the IRS website first to make sure the car I'm interested in actually qualifies, and that I meet the income requirements. It's not just about whether the car is electric.
You've got it, Taylor. That's a crucial point. So, let's recap. The Clean Vehicle Credit offers a significant incentive for purchasing an electric vehicle, but there are specific requirements regarding final assembly, battery components, and income limits. To ensure you're getting the right information, always check IRS.gov or consult with a qualified tax advisor. Do your homework before heading to the dealership to avoid any surprises.